Today we're going to do slime. And this is clear, glue, white, and activator. And we have red, green, orange, and yellow. And we got some cups here, and a spoon, and some sticks. Let's get started, guys. My brother's gonna help me. Name is George. And he's here.
Hey. And right here on the bottom, you can follow me in these social medias.
And you can follow me on Instagram.
Okay, the first is measure 15 milliliters of white glue using supply.
Measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. Scratch down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible.
So it's 15 milliliters. Here.
Now we're going to dump in this glue.
Scrape down all the glue as possible. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
The second ingredient is
Measure 30 milliliters of water
as room temperature and then pour it
into the same bowl as the glue to make it sticky, slime,
and more water.
So I'm going to the bathroom to fill it up, okay?
Okay.
So we dumped in our water. It's filled a little bit.
It dripped a little bit. To add activator, slime activator. You gotta put a little bit.
To pour in the colors.
Those are paint.
Use red.
Okay, good choice. You want to use green or which one?
I want to use
He's gonna use green.
and to get it out.
Then you mix it up.
Right.
Six and a half hours later.
I'm mixing it. And mine would take a long. So this is the end.
And this is how you make slime. Out of these.
And with Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah, but not sponsored.
Because then follow my brother. Post some minions. So thank you to watching my video. I hope you subscribe my video and give us a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Goodbye, guys.